Stuttering and lag in MetaQuest headsets manifest as inconsistent frame rates and delayed responses, significantly impacting the VR experience. These issues create a disruptive experience where movement appears jerky and responses feel delayed. Core factors include frame rate management, where headsets aim for 72-90 FPS. However, drops are common due to processing demands. Hardware limitations, particularly CPU and GPU bottlenecks during graphically intensive scenes, contribute significantly to performance degradation. Latency, including input lag from wireless communication and motion-to-photon delays, plays a critical role. Ideal round-trip times should be under 50 milliseconds. Overheating and subsequent thermal throttling of processors like the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 lead to reduced clock speeds and frame rate dips. Finally, unoptimized applications and background processes contribute significantly to stuttering, which are made worse by outdated software. To mitigate stuttering and lag in MetaQuest headsets, several troubleshooting and optimization strategies can be employed. Begin by ensuring that your MetaQuest software is up to date, as the latest updates often include performance enhancements and bug fixes. Then, disable unnecessary features such as Guardian alerts, which can consume processing resources. Consider using a wired connection via Oculus Link for a more stable FPS experience, reducing wireless communication lag. Adjusting graphical settings within VR applications can also improve performance. Lower resolution and render quality settings to reduce the load on the GPU. Monitor the headset's temperature and consider using external fan attachments to prevent thermal throttling. Furthermore, optimize your Wi-Fi network by ensuring a strong and stable connection, preferably using a 5 GHz band and minimizing interference from other devices. For advanced users, enabling experimental features in the settings may provide additional performance boosts. Replace stock battery with a third-party 5000 mAh unit to prevent throttling if need be. By systematically addressing these factors, users can significantly reduce stuttering and lag, resulting in a smoother and more enjoyable VR experience.